Hello all! Today I'm showing you how to make these super cute and simple acrylic keychains. I made zodiac ones and I made this monstera leaf one. I made a couple other ones to give as freebies for my small business. They're all with the orders and I don't have them. However, we're going to make one together today. This is the set I'm using. I got this on Amazon and it comes with everything that you need for your keychain. It has the acrylic blank jump rings. I chose gold, but there is a silver option if you want to use silver instead. These multicolored tassels. I love having the colored tassels match my keychain, so I think this is a great addition to the keychain set. You will need some permanent vinyl. This is a set that I also got on Amazon. It's the Oracle 651. It's my favorite permanent vinyl. It comes with all different colors. You can do as many designs as you want without paying like $10 a roll. To cut the permanent vinyl, I'm using my Cricut Joy since I'm only making one design. To use your Cricut Joy, if you're first using your Cricut Joy, you probably have to set it up and make an account. But I already did that, so I'm going to sign in and access all of my SVG files. If you don't have an SVG file for acrylic keychains, you can always purchase them on Etsy. So just search up Acrylic Keychain SVG file and it should have a bunch pop up. You can also make your own design on here. They have shapes and images and text that you can do, and they have guidelines right here so that you can print it out to be the right size. What I do to make sure that my design will fit my keychain is, hold on, this is a 2x2 circle acrylic keychain, and I just use these guides on my computer to make sure that it will fit inside the keychain and that it isn't too large or too small. To upload your design, I decided on this floral smiley thing, sized it to fit inside this 2x2 guideline. However, to upload it, you want to click upload and then upload image. You can see I uploaded several SVG files already and I just chose that one. And after you laid it out onto your design space, click make it right here. I can see here, this takes up 1 square. And for the pink one, I'll just cut a 2x2. This is my scrap piece from another project that I did. I'm using the hot pink and the light pink. This one will be about 1.5 by 1.5. Good. And then about here it's good. Like so. There we go. All of our colors are cut and ready to be placed into the Cricut Joy. Now it is time to align it onto our mat. If you look on your screen in Cricut Design Space, you'll see how this design is right here in this square and the other one located here. Make sure before you cut that your vinyl is placed in the same section or area that shows on the screen, because that is where it will continue to cut. Let's do this. So I'll have this right here, scraper. When you get to the screen, make sure you click Smart Vinyl Permanent if you're using regular permanent vinyl. However, Cricut does have a vinyl that doesn't require any matte, but I'm using one that does require matte. So that is the option that I'm using. Click go and it should start cutting. Once that is cut, use your weeding tool to weed out any parts you don't want on your keychain. Boom. Smiley. Moving on to the next color. Boom. Ta-da! I finished cutting out both colors and you're ready to finally start placing them onto our acrylic blank. If you are using the acrylic blank that I'm using today, you will notice that it looks like this and that it's not clear. There is a film on both sides of this. What you want to do is remove the film on one side. So if you want your vinyl to stick even better, you can clean the surface of your acrylic blank with rubbing alcohol. You will need transfer tape. The vinyl set that I bought on Amazon does come with transfer tape, but I already had this out, so I'll just use this. Peel your transfer tape. I'm gonna do the light pink. Scrape it with your little scraper thingamajig. Then you can take the vinyl off and then put it onto your acrylic blank. this is what it looks like. I have some air bubbles in mine, but that is because I was rushing. Remove the back foam to reveal the clear look. This off. Finally, we can attach our jump ring and our tassel. I chose the hot pink one because the gold and the hot pink really matches the light pink and hot pink on my acrylic keychain. We use this little ring and put it through here to attach your jump ring, and I will attach my tassel onto the jump ring. However, you can do it in this little ring as well. This is the end result. I'm really happy with how it came out. I think it's super cute.